well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner,
Hi there, I'm Sam from Down Under, and welcome to New Orleans, a city known for the world's biggest party celebration, Mardi Gras. A strong, vibrant, unique music scene with some of the most talented musicians in America. And some of the tastiest, most delectable Cajun Creole cuisine this side of the Western Hemisphere. Scrumptious. Today, we'll be exploring the beautiful, scenic Audubon Park, right across the street from the illustrious, world-renowned research institution, Loyola University. Just kidding. Huh. Right. Anyway, Audubon Park, named after John James Audubon, the famous naturalist and artist, is home to a wide array of birds, trees, and other exotic wildlife indigenous to this area. Crikey! Look at the size of that Bowser! It's bigger than a dingo! Here we have two dabbling ducks, more specifically mallards, both male, here sunning themselves beneath the shade near the lagoon. Male mallard ducks are primarily indicated by their specific breeding plumage. Their green heads and yellow beaks are some key characteristics. Mallard ducks are perhaps the most common duck found all throughout the world. Here we have two more mallards, here one male, one female, which appear to be diving for nibbles of some sort. Here we have another dabbling duck, the male wood duck, indicated here by its gorgeous bright white bridle and its round head with the drooping green crest. Gorgeous. Ah, what a sight! Here we have the yellow-crowned night heron. It's rare to see these birds during the day, because usually they roost in colonies hidden in the trees, foraging for food primarily at night, hence the name. Night heron. Oh, there he goes. Here we have the classic Spanish moss, typically hanging from bald cypress trees or large southern oak trees. An interesting tidbit of information, though, however, this flowering plant is neither Spanish nor moss. Oh, here we go. Now here we have perhaps the most maligned and misunderstood duck in the world, and that is the muscovy. These birds vary greatly in appearance from region to region, with no two birds looking exactly alike. If you ask me, that trait gives these birds some individuality and character. This blue jay here is a lovely, handsome specimen. Oh, an American crow, how interesting. Goodbye. Oh, there goes another one. How unique. Oh, now here's an interesting specimen, the cattle egret. Oh, Mother Nature at its finest. Won't you look at that beautiful roost full of snowy egrets here on Bird Island in Audubon Park? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, look at here. There seems to be some kind of feeding frenzy induced here by these Asian pre-med students. Ah, the majestic great egret, noticeable here by its long narrow neck and black spindly legs. My word, I'm not sure how this is even possible, but we seem to have stumbled upon a scarlet macaw. This beautiful specimen, known also as the the country bird of Honduras, is known by its bright, gorgeous colors of red, blue, yellow, and green. Crikey, what a sight!